Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. In order to redeem a Roblox gift card, you cannot do it from the app itself. So then you'll have to log in from the web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. So once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in roblox.com. So on the other page, there are multiple options, so you'll have to tap on www.roblox.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. So after you type in the link, on the other page, this kind of interface might appear on your device. So by default, you can see there is an option called Continue in App. So instead of that, you'll have to tap on Continue in Browser, which is right at the bottom. So you must be logged in into your account. So you can see that I'm logged in, and right on top you can see there is my profile icon. So after you log in into your Roblox account from the web browser, this kind of interface might appear on your device. After that, you'll have to tap on the try bar icon in the top left corner. So as you tap on the try bar icon, you can see there is a drop down menu. So right at the bottom, or in the second last option, you can see there is an option called gift card. Just tap on it. So after you tap on it, on the other page you have a multiple option, and over here you can even buy a gift card. Since our video is based on how to redeem a Roblox gift card, so all you have to do is tap on the redeem option in the top right corner of your screen. So once you tap on redeem, on the other page you can see there is a statement. So make sure to go through it, and right in center you'll have to enter the code. So right at the bottom there is an option called additional information, and under it there are 4 different options. So the first one is how to redeem gift cards, and the other one is more help on gift cards, how to redeem virtual item code, how to redeem promo codes. So all of these codes, all you have to do is you have to enter it right over here, right on top. So then the procedure is similar. All you have to do is you'll have to simply follow this step and you'll be able to redeem your Roblox gift card. So that is how you can redeem your Roblox gift card. That is all for this video. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. That is all. Thank you for watching.